Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Nisha for those who are new, and today we are doing a makeup tutorial using no other than Miss Michaela and Glamlite palette. Y'all, this palette is so cute. I love the packaging. I'm a sucker for this packaging. I have to do this every single time. Like, this is so pretty. But anywho, give you guys a quick little glance if you guys have not seen what this palette looks like. It's upside down so that this big mirror won't blind you. But it's such a beautiful range of colors. Like, you got neutrals in here, and then you got your pop of colors. So you can pretty much go a lot of different ways with this palette. And I definitely want to come back and do multiple looks using this palette because I was like really excited. Like, I've been buying palettes, but I haven't been like really like excited to play with a palette like this in a while. So I'm definitely gonna come back and do more looks using this. But I want to know, did anybody else who's watching, did you guys pick up this palette? And if so, what is your thoughts and opinions when it comes to the eyeshadows? This is my second time using this palette. I am going to create a playlist of me using this palette and different looks I'm going to come up with. But I don't know, it was one eyeshadow that was a little iffy, and you guys will hear more stuff about that. And I'm just interested to see if anyone else is getting the same results. So if you guys have this palette, let me know if you guys had experienced anything that I'm going to talk about. And that's pretty much all I really want to know, because I'm like, am I doing something wrong, or is this eyeshadow not working for me? But anywho, if you guys want to see how I got this beautiful look, then of course keep on watching. All right, we're giving Michaela part 2 a try. I still haven't received the rest of my stuff. I won't know until the end of July. I don't know when you guys will see this video, but it's not the end of July yet. Today is actually a Tuesday, the 27th. So hopefully I will get an email soon saying I will be receiving the rest of my stuff very soon, which is like the lashes, the highlighter, and stuff like that. And I was gonna wait till that stuff came to do another video using this palette, but I want to play with her, okay? So I want to play with her some more, and I was really excited to get this palette, so I'm gonna play with her, and I'm gonna create a playlist using Miss Michaela. I already have a look up using this palette. I did it in part of my birthday sleigh, so I will link that one somewhere in the description or pop it up right here. But I will have a playlist of me just using this Michaela palette. So if you guys got this palette and you guys want to see like different looks using this palette, which you can achieve using this palette, of course, created a playlist using this, and for future looks that is soon to come. But I'm going to start off with the Glamlite, what is this called? Icing. And this is in the shade Caramel, I believe. Caramel, yeah. Shade Caramel. I'm going to take that and apply it right on my lid. And the difference between this one compared to Juvia, this one is a lot more thick, but it also has a creamier texture as well at the same time. It's kind of odd, but it gets the job done. So now that I have that on, the first step is to go in with a highlight color. And with this shade, I'm going to pop it right underneath my brow bone. I'm laughing at these names. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Buffalo Chicken, a nice like peachy corally orange color, and I'm going to see. Oh, that's pretty. So I'm gonna pat this all over the crease area. Like a little bit of hot cocoa. I'm gonna blend out this orange just a little bit because it's not as pigmented as I thought it was gonna be. So to help blend it out, I'm going to pop this pretty brown in my crease. Now that I have the brown on, I'm going back in with that Buffalo Chicken eyeshadow. And now that I have that brown a little bit, it's building up a lot better. I'm blending it out once more to homogeneous. I'm gonna put a little bit more into my crease. Let's go with Frisky, which is the deepest purple. Put this only in the outer part. Yes. I feel like this is the best I can get this purple. I really wanted this to be a little bit more deeper. Alright, I feel like this is as good as it's going to get. I'm going to cut my crease off camera and then come back. I did cut my crease and I mixed a little bit of Glamlite, the icing, and then I also mixed with the Juvia's shade 2. And this is what I got. It's a nice little cream texture. I think the Glamlite is a little too thick for me to use as a cut crease by itself, but I think it's a great eyeshadow for all over the lid. And you know what I'm going to try to next time where I feel like I'm having a little bit of blending issues is I'm going to try a different base because I used the exact same base as I did last time, which was the Glamlite. I want to see if this works with different, you know, bases. So remind me to do that next time, you guys. Alright, so for my lid, I'm going to go in with this pretty peachy color. Oh, this is a really pretty color. This is pretty. And right now I'm just placing it. I'm going to blend it out later. Next color. Alright, I'm going to go in with this pretty like metallic purple color. I don't know what formula these metallic eyeshadows are, but I tried I think 2 of them so far and I absolutely love them. She could have did the whole palette with these formulas. I would have been fine with it. Alright, then I'm going to take part 2. Let's take part 2. And let's finish closing this off. I'm going to go back with each color and blend them out now that I have them in the correct placement. Alright, so with both eyes done, this is what I came up with. Let's talk about something real quick. I'm trying to get it out. It's something about, I don't know if it's the colors that I went with or if it's just I don't know, but I've done my method, my brushes, everything. I've used these plenty times and stuff, but it's something about this purple. I keep trying to build it up in the outer part, and between Frisky and part 2, they don't want to blend together. I don't know why. I really don't know why. I've used like different brushes just to make them blend in the outer part, and I just feel like it's not there. So I'm gonna put my lashes, you know, do the rest of my face, but if I don't like how it looks, you know, with everything still being done, then I'm gonna go in with a random palette of mine and add some black just to cover up the harshness. But I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's right here. Do y'all see that? It's like these 2 colors do not want to blend, and I keep overlapping it, but it's just like, it's a no. But yeah, I'm off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then come back. All right, so face is halfway done. I'm now gonna go in. I think I'm just gonna go in with this hot cocoa, which is this brown that I put in the transition, because I really don't want that much going on at the bottom because I want the top to speak today. So I'm just gonna take that brown and pat it on. The lash line. And I do have on the icing for a base to help make this more vibrant and make it pop a little bit more. And I feel like I definitely need something in my inner just to bring everything back open. So I'm going to take a little bit of Glow Up. Let's see what she looks like popped in the inner. Oh, that's pretty. That is a really pretty color. Alright, so this is the finished look. I'm going to pop on blush, lip, lashes just to get the whole feel of everything, and then I'll come back to show you guys what it looks like and maybe tell you guys the stuff that I use to complete this look. So alright you guys, so this completes the look. I'm going to briefly let you guys know what I did for like my cheeks and my lips, because usually I come back and show you guys those things. But today I felt like I did so much talking with the eyes. I just want to keep this video somewhere semi short. But for my highlighter, I went in with the Glamlite GRANCRACKER, and I used this beautiful GRANCRACKER color, which is a nice golden color. And then for my blush, of course, no other than the Hank & Henry palette. I went in with this beautiful like pink shade right here. Oh, y'all can see my dirty background, hold on. This pink shade right here. And then on my lips, I went in with ColourPop lip pencil and BFF number 4. And then I have on my girl Miss Riri for the lips. This is the Fenty cream, and this is in the shade Mauve Wife. So it's really, really pretty. And I think that's pretty much it, like stuff that I would usually come back. But the full face detail, everything is going to be down in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys like what I came up with using this palette. Definitely, if you guys want me to do more looks using this palette, of course, thumbs up this video. If you guys want me to do more makeup tutorials in general, thumbs up this video. If you liked everything all in all, you know, the whole glam, and of course, thumbs up this video. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed. Anywho, I will see you guys all in my next upload. You guys have a beautiful day, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys next time.